Hello everyone. The experiment 9, which has been already conducted in the lab session, just I am going to give a brief review about the same. The aim is classification using Google Teachable Machine. This is a very easy experiment using the online platform, as we are already using Google Colab for the other practicals. Here we are going to use the other platform. The name is Teachable Machines. So what first we need to do is we have to write Teachable Machines in Google, and in Google search. Once we will write the Teachable Machine, the first link we have to open. After opening this link, this is really a very easy interface to do a practical, very simple. So here we need to click the get started. So what we are going to do, we are going to take two types of different images and we are going to classify using this platform. So once we are going to click the get started, it will give us three options. The first option, the image project we are going to use, in which we are going to classify two types of images, so that you can take any two types of images of your choice. It can be simple banana and apple classification. It can be simple two personalities like Dhoni and Virat uh, classification. So in that, here we are going to use first option, then standard image model, because we are going to use only the software. So it is going to give this kind of platform where class 1 and class 2 are the two categories of the classes. As I have already explained, that here we are going to classify between two different categories of images. So in this particular session, I am going to give example of two different types of flower images. So what we need to do here, we are going to upload the image from our system only. So you can directly go to the Google search and you can search for example, if you want to classify between cat and dog image, so you can write cat images. So it will give different cat images. So what is the step is, in images, you just randomly download any five cat images. Similarly, the second category, for example, if is the dog images, we will write the dog images in Google search, and we have to save any five dog images. So you can do using any of your choice character, like as I have already explained, Virat or Dhoni. We can classify between two types of fruits. We can classify between two types of flowers. So you have to save the images in your system in any folder of your choice. So here I have already prepared the data set for this. So I am going to choose the same data sets. We have to click the choose images from your files. So I am going to open the particular folder where the data is saved. So this is the data set which is containing two types of flowers, daisy and roses. So here I am going to upload randomly four images of daisy. So by pressing Control key, we can select multiple images, as you already know. So Control key and four images of daisy. You can select only single image as well. That is up to you. So data should be good good amount. That's why I am selecting four images. So here class 1 category name is daisy flower. Similarly, what we need to do is class 2 we have to select. So here class 2 is the roses, and I am going to upload the roses again by using the same procedure. So the second folder with the name roses are having lots of roses flower images. Again I am going to select any four images. Now this is the basically training section. We are going to train the model using these images. So this was the first step, to upload the images in the input section of your classification model. So second step is to click this button, train model. It is going to train the model with these inputs. One is from the daisy other category, other is one from the roses category. So after completing the training option, what we need to do, the next step is, after completion of this, we have to give the input. So in the right side, again we have to click the file option. In the right side, you can see the file option and webcam option are there. So here in file option, I am going to select any image where we are going to check for the performance of the model. Means this model is able to classify any random input image or not. So make sure you should not take any image which we have used in the input side. So for example, in this data set, Daisy category, I have used first four images. So randomly I am going to use any random image. So I am going to use this 4, 5, 6, 7, seventh number, which I have not given as the input. So this is the most important step while checking the output. At output section, we should use any unknown information to the model as it to check the performance that it is able to classify or recognize that image or not. So open. So here we can see the output in the right side. So here what is the output? You can see Daisy is 100% recognized. Rose is 0% because it is very easy for this image to be classified because there was no error. Simple image was there, clear image. So it was able to detect it correctly. So in the same way, you can proceed with any two category of inputs as I have already shown you the procedure, and you can perform it. And also I am going to provide you the PPT for as the supporting study material for the practical, and this is also useful for your final project as well. So thank you. I hope this is clear. If any doubt, you can connect to me.